The value equation. It will help you create a really cool product for your audience. Today in this video I am going to show you a very cool equation that will help you create a really cool product for your audience. If you use it when creating a lead magnet, people will be much more likely to subscribe to your newsletter. This means that you will be able to attract more subscribers to your base and save money on advertising. If you use it when creating a paid product, people will be more likely to buy it. So you will be able to earn more money. The benefits are obvious, so be sure to watch this video to the end. Hi, my name is Drival Dmitry. I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good. So I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words. And it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. The equation I want to tell you about is called the value equation. I learned about it from Alex Hormozi. And this is its essence. Value is equal to the dream outcome multiplied by the perceived likelihood of achievement and divided by the time delay multiplied by the effort and sacrifice. That is, there are four main factors that affect the value of our product. Dream outcome is the maximum result that your customer can achieve with your product. To what desired result will you lead your client? What will your customer get? Perceived likelihood of achievement is the guarantee you can give your customer that he will achieve the desired result with your product. How confident will your customer be that he will get the desired result if he buys your product? How to convince him that he can do it? Time delay is the amount of the time it will take for our customer to achieve the desired outcome once he purchases our product and starts using it. In how much time can we bring the client to his desired result? How much time will he need? Effort and sacrifice are the efforts that our client will have to make and the sacrifices that he will have to make to achieve the desired result. At what price will we bring our client to the desired result? What is required of him? From this equation, it follows that the larger our numerator and the smaller our denominator, the greater the value of the product. That is, if we want to increase the value of our product, then we must either increase the top two indicators of the equation, the dream outcome and the perceived likelihood of achievement, or reduce the bottom two indicators of the equation, time delay and effort and sacrifice. Or do both. If we take the dream outcome, then everything is simple here. The more result you can give your customers with your product, the better. If they can lose 3 kilograms, that's good. But if they can lose weight by 20 kilograms, then it is much better and much more valuable. Perceived likelihood of achievement. Here you have to think about how you can increase the probability that the person will achieve the desired result and convince him that he can achieve this result. This can be done with a guarantee. For example, you say that if a person follows all your recommendations and does not get result, then you will return the money they paid for the product. Your guarantee will help people believe in your product and will motivate them to act. This can also be done with social proof. For example, you can show successful cases of your old clients. This will be a good confirmation for new customers that your product works, and this will motivate them to act, because if it has worked for others, it will work for them too. Alex Hormozi says that the best companies in the world focus all their attention on the bottom part of the value equation, offering result as quickly as possible and with minimal effort and sacrifice. If you can reduce your prospect's time delay to result to 0 and their effort and sacrifice to 0, then you have an infinitely valuable product. This is why people prefer to buy pills rather than vitamins, because they give a faster result without much effort. Took a pill and the pain went away. That is why such a product as Made for You has such high value and can be very expensive. After all, in this case, the client gets the result quickly and does not make any effort. So, to create a valuable product, you need: first, determine to which maximum result you can bring your client. The bigger the result, the better. Second, think about how you can reduce the delay time of the desired result and the effort and sacrifice of your client. The sooner he gets the result, the better. The less effort and sacrifice, the better. For example, your client needs to make a website. You can give him ready-made templates that will help him create it very quickly and with minimal effort. Third, and finally, think about how you can increase the likelihood that the client will achieve the desired result. Maybe you will give your customers some kind of strong guarantee: if you don't make your site with the help of our products, our specialists will make it for you. Or you can give him a curator who will help him to reach the end and get the desired result. Conclusions: if you use the value equation when creating your products and pay special attention to the bottom of that equation, you can create really cool products. I hope this information was valuable to you, and you will please me with your like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I wish you a good day and good mood. Bye bye.